Hi guys, so in this part we are going to see about agenda group. So it is another concept of rules. So I will clone the repository and right now we don't have anything here. We'll check out another branch. Now we have our two folders over here, as you can see. So I'll open my editor and yeah, this is the agenda group which we are talking about today. So there's nothing much in the form.xml. It's the same file. And source main, I'll show you the code. In the previous video, we have already seen this incident.java, this file, which makes a public class incident, and we have get and set functions for it. Okay, so in this one, we are doing something in the Drools file. So I have this agenda group.drl file. So if you see something here, I have a line here, agenda group detection. So when I'm making a rule, detect incident, with that rule, I'm also defining a agenda group. So agenda group is nothing but like in rules, we have a order of execution. Okay, so it's like a to-do list of rule activations in the order in which rules will fire. So when facts are inserted or updated, rules will check which rules are matching, okay? And then each match will become an activation, and activations are placed on agenda. And the rules will fire the rules according to that agenda. Now, by default, all the rules go into one global bucket, and then rules will decide the firing order. Now, the problem in that is, let's say in my case, we are making an incident response system, right? So let's say there are four phases of it. So first is detection of incident, next is classifying the incident, next is enrichment, and let's say next is response. So you have four stages. Now I want my rules to fire in that same order. Okay, I can't have response firing before the detection of incident, right? So I want to fire them in that particular order. So that is a place where I'll be using agenda groups. Okay, so agenda group is a named bucket of rules that only fires when it is in focus. Okay, now how do we set it in focus and everything? That we'll see here. So I have set here agenda group detection, and another rule I have which is respond to incident. I have set it as agenda group response. Okay. Now, in this, the same thing is happening. I think we saw that in chain, yeah, in chain rule, we saw the same things. Okay. It's the same, but all I have added is this one particular line, agenda group detection. Now, if you go to main.java, you'll see these all are same. Yeah. So k session dot get agenda group detection dot set focus. So I'm setting focus to this detection group. Okay. So this agenda group, I'm setting the focus on it. Okay. After that, when I'm inserting a new incident and firing all the rules which are in this particular agenda group, they will be fired. Okay. And then in the next step, I'm firing the rules from response agenda group when I'm setting that particular agenda group in focus. Okay, so that is all about um, agenda groups. So to run this, I'll go to agenda group. Okay, I have all now maven theme package, and the next command will be just a second. I don't remember it. Yeah. These are the same three commands we used to run the project in the previous parts also. So if you see here, detection phase, first I'm doing this incident detected, and then escalation action triggered for incident, and then reaction phase, incident handle. So it is getting, the rules are getting fired in the order which I have set. And the first is detection, and the second one being response. Okay, so that is the use of agenda groups, and that's it.